Here we have a book. The text is in a language that I cannot read. So how to read it? Well, you can use your smartphone and enable the internet, Wi-Fi for example. Go to the Google Play Store and type in Google Translate and install the app. 22 megabytes. Now here's the application. Translate. Start it. Set up Google Translate, tap on finished, and we want to use the camera because I don't want to type those letters manually. I want the application to read using the camera of the phone, read that text. So tap on camera, don't retain images, continue. Allow to take pictures and record video, allow. It's optimizing and it says aim at text. Now it's set to English to Spanish. Let's reverse it. And not Spanish but detect language, and now aim it. Lift presser foot, handle, guiding top thread, guiding coil threads. So this is in Ukrainian. Plate with table operations, don't move your phone. Selection buttons, function, select mode button, cogwheel, free flowing embroidery, monograms, sewing with a net. So just aim your phone to something and it should detect the text. Come on, focus. The main parts of the machine. Here you can see it translated. So wait until it focuses. Polarized plug information. That's the original text. And that's the translated text. Don't move your phone. Okay, that's it. Google Translate using the phone's camera.